Hey, I'm out here goofing off with my 65C20 with my mock-up bumper that I built for Jimmy Rig. Hey, we're looking at PARTSam's 12-gang switch panel. This thing changes colors, it changes brightness levels, it changes the gradient. This thing is super sweet, multiple colors here, but check it out. We've got it wired into our mock-up bumper here. So no matter if we're changing the color on it, we can go back and we can hit our stoplights, throw in a blue 3/4 inch button light that's blue and red, super sweet. Hey, left turn, right turn. Hey, your tail lights. The 6-inch oval, it's got stop, tail, turn, and reverse all in one light. Super neat. Throw our reverse lights on, but hey, if that's not enough, throw your little hazards with your reverse. But you're in full control here. But I love it. Super awesome. But as far as this 12-gang switch panel here from PARTSam and their lighting, they've got all your truck and trailer lighting. Hey, I'll put a link down below that way you can find more details on this. Super awesome kit here. PARTSam. I gotta go. 265 feet away, wireless. Bam. I can't get enough of it. I say I've got to go, but check this bad boy out. 12-gang wireless switch panel, wireless, 265 feet. Check it out, link down below, guys.